This would fall into the category of plan ahead, which I failed to do. I think I have an idea. Bear with me. I need tail lights. I'm gonna use a bunch of parts that I have just laying around and make some instead of buying some. Will it work? I have no idea. Am I gonna try it? Of course. I got chain on my cup holder, so I'm gonna tie the chain and, you know, I'm gonna use chain again. Bada bing, bada boom. Gotta set my workstation up. That's all I got, people. I'm gonna see if I can cobble something together that'll look cool, different, decent. Whatever other words I'm trying to think of to say. Had a buddy donate some LEDs. They're pretty bright. Not sure if they're good for outdoor use or not. I don't know. I just don't know if I got enough chain to do 2 of them. I don't have enough chain to do 2 of them. What else can you do, Simon? Think. I'm thinking and it hurts.
Come on, you stupid brain! Work!
Ow! Stabbed myself through the nail. I even drew blood. Ho ho ho. We got more chain and a little bit of blood, but that's fine. Woohoo! I think I'm onto something good here. I'm excited. Now, how do I cut that out? I think it's back to the cutoff wheel. God, I need to get a plasma cutter. We're gonna put a new cutoff wheel on for this cut. Hopefully it makes it a little easier. And I forgot my helmet. Okie dokie, let's do this. Is it perfect? Far from it. Can I hopefully make it a little bit better on the grinder? I hope so. I don't think it's too bad. It kind of looks like a bomb. Yeah, it works. Come on, that's pretty good, right? It's a pretty good match. Stellar. My question, however, is, do I make it so I can replace these at some point? Or are they a one-time deal? I don't know. I'm just gonna assemble it as one solid unit. If something happens in the future, I'll deal with it then. Is that the right way to go about it? Probably not. Is that the way I'm gonna go about it? Yep, sure is. Yep, that'll work. Probably need a little more heat. I'm just guessing if that's right. Where do I want to start? Really? Again? Oh, how does this keep happening? Ooh, this is starting to get warm. I may have to switch my gloves. Uh-oh. Damn it, I knew I was gonna do that. I welded one link too far and I can't straighten it out now. Let me go fix that. Let me go. That tasted great.
Yummy!
Fixed. Well, fixed enough. Let's make sure we don't do that again. Lesson learned. There's no instruction manual. I don't know what the hell. I'm just figuring it out. Oh, that's still on grind. Wow. There we go. Did I end up one link short down here? Yeah, but I don't think it'll matter. Nobody will know. I mean, you'll know. She warm. That's upside down. Let's try this way. So much extra wire between them. I just want to know how many I can fit. I think I just got to do 2. It's gonna be easier. It's actually pretty heavy. I should hook up a battery and see if I think that's bright enough. That's what I should do. God, those things never get any lighter. Is this gonna be as backwoods as my startup wiring? Probably. But folks, if it works, it works. I think it'll be just fine. And then I'll have F-bomb tail lights. Let's turn the lights off and see what it looks like. How's that for a plan? Not like it's that much darker, but still. Awesome! I'm going with it. Here's what I got cooking. Popped a few holes in this. Mounted, I'm just gonna weld these in here. That way I can mount it to the body. That way it can be a complete sealed unit. I don't have to worry about trying to get wrenches and nuts and bolts and everything else. Popped a hole for my wires to go through. I can see you. So yeah, that's where we're at. Yeah, the bolts are a little long. It's just what I had laying around. Use what I got, people. I think it's gonna be just fine. All better. Now I have to figure out how the hell I'm gonna attach the lights to it so that they stay after I get the splatter off of here. Lots of splatter. Do you know how to stop the splatter from happening? If you do, let me know down in the comments because I'm always fighting it. I got stuff you dip the thing in at the thing and it's supposed to stop it and it doesn't really. Is it cheap wire? Too much heat, too much wire speed. I just don't know. Somebody please tell me. Maybe it's just normal. Is that a thing? Yeah, maybe it's just normal. Let's go with that. And then this, go on like that. And it'll be bada bing, bada boom. A guy could drill a few holes in that F, I guess, if he was worried about not having enough light shining through. I'm gonna have one on each side. It's fine. How am I gonna attach these now? Epoxy. I don't know. I just don't know. Well, I found some glue I'm gonna try. But it says to make sure it's removed of all oil and moisture. So I'm gonna make sure I got no moisture in this and heat it up a little bit to cook any moisture out of the metal. Just like that. Did I get a second taillight made up? Correctamundo. Did I not record it because my camera battery died and I'm unprepared and I didn't have a second battery to put in and
get your shit together!
Continue and da-da-da-da-da and I had to go charge it? Bingo! Did I realize that the current light setup I have for these isn't gonna work properly? Correct again, because the LEDs will light up great for brake lights, but they only have the one light. I mean, they're just on or off, not high and low. So I'm gonna have a brake light and a tail light all in one unit. Somehow. So I have to come up with a solution for that now. Because I really like these, and I don't want to change them. How do you fix this, Simon? How do you fix this? Because we still want to use these. This might not be so bad. What if I just glue one that way on the back side of the F? Let go. I glue that to the back side of the F. You can't see it, and it'll be perfect for a tail light. I mean, it just needs to illuminate, and at night, so you can see it. It'll be fine. It'll definitely be fine. It has to be fine. I think it's gonna work. It's fine. It's gonna work. Pretty happy with that. Yep. You won't know it's there. You won't be able to see it. I was really nervous for a minute. That wasn't so bad. I'm gonna add wires to it though. Would this take less time if I remembered everything I needed the first time I went to the toolbox? Yeah, probably. Probably. But let's be real, that isn't gonna change. Ooh, that's actually plenty of wire. I don't need to worry about that right now. I'll just tape these two together so I know they're for the taillights. That's what I'll do. So that just means another trip to the toolbox. I thought ahead and planned ahead and brought my little die grinder here. Saved myself a trip to the toolbox. Well, that went smooth. No, it did not. But it works. I forgot my safety eyes. Well, let's hope for the best. I should have glued those wires down. Let's do that now. No, stay down. Nope, get back down there. Stay down. Should really mark these so I stop getting them mixed up. Doesn't matter right now. Stay focused, Simon. Focus, focus, focus.
You stay focused.
I almost put it light side down. That would have sucked. Stuff's so gooey. Anybody else make their taillights completely from scratch? Or am I the only one wasting my time? I don't think I'm wasting my time. I think these things are gonna look cool. How's that look? That look all right? I can't get very far away from it to see if I like it. No, I definitely think I want them wide. Should I have checked this before I put the holes in there and mounted bolts to this? Probably. There's a brace back in here that's gonna be an issue. But we'll adjust. Nope, definitely straight up and down. I'm sure it's for something super important in there. We're just gonna punch through it. This is a trick I learned many moons ago and it's actually stuck with me. One of the few. When I'm trying to locate stuff, take a little dab of grease. A lot of metal shavings in there. Think that's okay? And I just dab it on the end, figure out my placement, and go with it. I mean, it's not exact and I screwed it up because I moved it and I have to do it again. But you get the gist. Yep, going with it. That was that, yeah. I hit the brace back there. Let's just open it up for a little room for error. Perfect. Can I see the top bolt? No. No, I cannot. I'll fix it. I will fix it. Somehow. How am I gonna fix it? With air tools. That's how I'm gonna fix it. Need some light. I better take that out so I don't wreck it. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Super. Need to make some clearance first. Clearance. little thicker than originally anticipated. I'm gonna make sure I don't get any more metal shavings in my grease though. I'm super excited that I get to do that to the other side too. That'll be fun. Has my camera got some weird counter thing going on? Yep. Do I know what it means? Nope. Fingers crossed that it's still recording. Bingo! What do we think? What do we think? Wanna know what I think? I think they're cool. I definitely think they're cool. I've never seen them before. Not saying they don't exist, but me, personally, at SimonSaysGarage, have never seen F-bomb tail lights / brake lights. Hell yeah. Ooh, that's pretty rusty.
Squirrel!
Nah, it's fine. Now I just need to join the two. Let's do that quick, before my camera dies. Again. I forgot my gloves. Try and tack it in spots on the backside so you don't see my crappy welds. That's my goal. Come on, baby, be nice to me today. Probably help if I had an actual ground. Really? Really? The first crack? I don't want to heat it up too much and melt my lights in there. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tacks should be plenty. It'll be fine. One thing I didn't do, which I should have done, is tested that other light I put in there. I just attached it and assumed it was gonna work. Probably not very smart on my part. If you ever need anything professionally wired up, call somebody else, because you won't like it if I do it. It's working. I want to pick it up, but I know it's gonna be hot. Tail lights. Come on, that's cool, isn't it? Yes, it's so awesome. Yep, I'm pretty happy with that. I need tail lights and brake lights, I think. Can I just do hand signals? Slow down. No, wait, stop. I have a dilemma, and I screwed up on that one. I'm hoping I can fix it though. The way these come, they come in a line, and you just cut off what you don't need. Well, that leaves exposed wires. I don't want to have exposed wires out in the open. That to me just spells recipe for disaster. I know they make brush-on electrical tape. I don't have any. Parts store's already closed. I don't want to stop. Am I impatient? Yeah, unfortunately, yes I am. It's fine, I'm not worried about it. Guess I should have put the cap on it. We have RTV. She is not coming out of there very well. Not very good, no. We'll make her work. That's a lot messier than I had pictured in my head, but it's fine. That looks better. I still need to weld these ones together. That still needs to happen. Somehow, I think my heat is releasing the glue. Did I get a mess over everything? Yeah. Yeah, I did. It's fine though. It doesn't matter. Okay, it matters a little bit. I'm gonna clean it. There, that problem's fixed. Forgot to put the lid on the glue and now I can't get the glue out. Ooh, easier than I thought. This is going downhill fast. They weren't kidding about quick grip. Have I got way more glue on there than I ever need? Yeah, probably. Better safe than sorry. I'm putting the lid on it this time. Okay, measuring device. Where did I put you? Well, the other one being the exact same spot on the other side of the car? I hope so. Should be roughly there. Roughly. Believe it or not, these aren't carbon copies of each other. Does that look good? Maybe a little like that. I'm happy with it. Let's do this. I forgot about the thing back there. Ooh, that got augered out a little big. Whoops. It just means there's room for adjustment now. It's fine. Woohoo! I'm gonna make them kind of the same cuts. This is a prime lesson. If you don't want to have to be doing stupid cuts to make things work, plan ahead accordingly. Let me just pick this up. Yep, Was I scared to look out here and make sure I didn't cut through? Yeah, a little bit. And did I just put the chisel through it? Yeah, I did. Come on, get out of there. I swear to God, you're the strongest 100-year-old metal ever. Time for different tools. Perfect. Now we'll just hope I don't cut myself on that later. Yeah, I'm just gonna make that worse. Stop, Simon. Stop, stop, stop. I'll just fix it by covering it up, maybe. See, you'll never know. It's perfect. I'm starting to wonder if this glue's gonna work. Hot day out baking in the sun, they might just pop right off of there. But that's a problem for another day. Beautiful. Nuts, we need nuts. Don't cut your finger, Simon. Don't cut your finger. Could have put some longer bolts in there. That would have been super helpful, I'm sure. They're adjustable. It's fine. I am really surprised. Usually I struggle on the first one and the second one goes as a breeze. This was totally the other way around. Really glad I put these long ass bolts in here. Good enough for now. I should at least light one up, right? I mean, right? Who else has F-bombs for taillights? I've never seen it before. Let's brake light one of them. Get you out of the way. Nope. Oh, now you're gonna be in the way. Come on, work with me here. I'm an amateur. Stopping, turning. Yeah, those are awesome. I don't know how they're looking on camera, but in person they look pretty cool. All right, I think I'm gonna end this one here. Wait. One more look. Yeah, they're still awesome. I'm building custom tail lights out of F-bomb cutouts. And I still haven't wired the car yet. If you like what you see, you like my scoop, if you like my headlight mount I've made, let me know down in the comments. Let me know what you guys are thinking. I think I'm falling in love. Still got a little ways to go, but she's getting closer. Do a guy a favor though, hit that like button, subscribe, hit the little bell. I guess that does something too. I don't know what, but it does something. And it won't be long and we'll be doing burnouts. Thanks for watching.